Welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I'm back again with yet another interesting and exciting Goan recipe, and that is the chicken in green masala with coconut milk. Let's start with the recipe. Here I have 1.5 kg of fresh chicken which I've cut into medium size, and I've nicely washed it also. Now let's marinate this chicken with some sea salt and ginger garlic paste and let it rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. And until the chicken gets marinated, friends, if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, then please do subscribe now and do hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And also do like and share my recipe with your family and friends so that they too enjoy watching my videos. I'm using here less of ginger garlic paste because I'm going to grind some ginger and garlic into my masala. Nicely massage it into your meat so that it gets well marinated. Cover and let it rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. Until then, let's prepare the green masala that we need for this. Here I have about 10 green chilies. These are homegrown ones and they're quite spicy. Now you add the chilies as per your spice level. And I have here fresh 10 stalks of coriander, 1 homegrown lime, 1-inch piece of ginger, a few cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and a stick of cinnamon. I have about 8 cloves here. Now let's grind all these ingredients together into a fine paste. I'm breaking off the cinnamon so that it becomes easy to grind. So also I will chop the chilies and the ginger and the coriander as well. This is totally optional, but this helps in smooth grinding. And friends, do watch my other chicken recipes of chicken shakuti, chicken kafriyal as well. Giving the link of the chicken recipes in the description below. Squeeze the juice of lime. I will squeeze in. These limes are very juicy of mine, so I'll squeeze in every bit of the juice and grind it to a fine smooth paste. You can see the texture. I'm going to cook the chicken in my earthenware. Now always before you place your earthenware on your gas stove, add the oil first, swirl it around and then put on your gas. If you keep it directly on the gas without water or oil, then it might crack. Once the oil is hot, add your chopped 1 large onion, saute it till it is translucent. Add 1 large tomato chopped and saute it till it turns mushy. One advantage of using an earthenware is the heat is evenly spread in an earthenware. Now add the ground masala paste and saute it well, stirring occasionally so that it doesn't stick. Friends, many people make a mistake by calling this recipe as chicken kafriyal recipe. Chicken kafriyal is a dry dish. Friends, check out the description for the playlist of all my chicken recipes. I'm sure you would love to try them. Once the masala is well sauteed, add the marinated chicken pieces. Mix in well. Give it a nice good stir so that all the pieces of the chicken gets well coated with the masala. Now I will just add in some water, especially from the mixer jar, so that no masala gets wasted. Give it a quick stir. Cover and cook it on medium flame for about 3-4 minutes till it comes to a boil. Now I have already extracted coconut juice of 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. And I have here thick juice and the second extract kept separately because I'm going to use them at 2 different stages. Chicken has started to boil. It has also released its own water. At this stage, I am going to add the second extract of the coconut juice. Give it a stir and let it come to a boil. Do the taste test. Started to come to a boil. At this stage, I am going to add here 2 potatoes which I have just cut into 4 pieces. This is totally optional, but I do love potatoes from the chicken. Cover and cook it for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, you can see that the chicken has been halfway cooked. Give it a stir. And I'm now going to add the thick extract of the coconut milk. And once you add the thick coconut milk, I'm not going to cover it, as there are chances if you close that the coconut milk can split. Give it a stir and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Do the taste test once again. If any salt is needed, please do add at this stage. You might find that the consistency of the chicken gravy is quite thin, but I assure you within a few minutes it will thicken up now. So the thick coconut juice will make the curry thicker. And in an earthen pot, the cooking continues for another 5 minutes even after you turn off your flame. So it's always necessary to keep it a little thinner consistency in an earthen pot. Cover. I turned off the flame and I'll cover and let it rest. As you can see, I have already turned off my flame, but as I told you, the cooking continues even after you turn off the flame. It will go on for at least about 5 minutes. So before it is completely cooked, you turn off the flame. Cover and let it rest. And here, my delicious, aromatic, tempting chicken green masala with coconut milk is ready to be relished. Do try this at your home and enjoy with your family and friends. It tastes delicious with Goan boiled rice and also with chapatis or even bread or poi, and tastes fabulous with sannas. I hope you have liked this recipe and you will try this recipe. Would like to hear your feedback on this recipe in my comment section. And if you have any queries, please do write in my comment box too. Thank you for watching. See you next week with yet another interesting and exciting recipe. God bless you.